What's good, YouTube? Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to give yourself a line. What I'm gonna do next is get some holding spray and spray it all over. Now, what you wanna do, pay close attention. Don't put your head down. Don't put your head all the way up. Your line item's gonna look like this, right? Put it at an even spot in the middle, you know what I'm saying? Where you can see the line, right? It's not going like this. If you put it up, it's gonna look like a, you know what I'm saying? A rainbow shape. If you put it down, too down, you can't really see. So put it at a decent spot, right? You're gonna get your trimmer and start right in the middle and work your way to the other side. I'm not pressing hard, small taps, right? So I'm doing it off, look. Boom, boom. Just follow the guide. Don't put your trimmer like this. Don't put your trimmer like this. Don't put your trimmer like this, nor this. Don't come in like that. Put it straight. Right? So boom, straight like that. I'm gonna do the next side. Now for the vertical bars, place your trimmer like this, not like this, straight and follow it. A little bit ashy right now, but it'll look good, trust. Now, so for the C cups, what you wanna do? Let me zoom in right here. What you wanna do? Straight line, boom, and put the trimmer like this, just like so, and draw it on. Circle, boom, easy. Right? So now it's looking like this so far, all natural. I'm gonna add some enhancements. Razor. yeah, that's the end of the video. If y'all found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know if it helped y'all out. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.